Hello everyone, you're on the Handmade channel. Today I'll show you how I'm currently making a Toyota Supra out of modeling clay. This is the sculpting stage, where I show you the car when it's not completely finished yet. I'm sculpting this Supra out of two types of modeling clay, regular sculpting clay and very hard NSP clay. At this point, almost the entire body is done except for the hood, trunk and roof, but it already looks pretty good. The Supra's recognizable features are there. To build this Supra, I first started by making the underbody, shaping it to create the necessary form for attaching the frame and body parts. And once I finished shaping the underbody, added the exhaust system and other elements, I moved on to making the frame for the body. And then I attached the side body panels to this frame. And to make sure the modeling clay kept its shape, I tightly attached foil, since it holds the clay in the desired form and gives it strength. The recognizable details are quite thin, about 1 mm thick, and they're made from these plates. At this point, the car is about 50% complete. It's really interesting to sculpt the Supra, so I'll do my best with it to make sure it turns out cool. To create the Supra, I also use blueprints, constantly comparing my work to them, holding them up and checking if I've made each shape correctly. This is how I managed to make it. If you like how the Supra already looks, give it a like and also subscribe to the channel if you're interested in my clay creations. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.